Hey, hello guys, welcome to another video, welcome to another episode, and today it's day 35. As we said last time that we need to do again the weighing of the birds when they're 35 days old. And today I'm more than ready like last time because I only had a pen and a paper, but today I've got even a marker whereby if I weigh the bird I can mark it and put it anywhere so that I don't go back to the same beds. So we don't have too much time to waste, but the only thing we need to do is see if the beds are improving and we see how much meat they are giving us. So guys, let's get started. And before we get started, let me just show you the view and the display of the beds so that you take a look and see how they are looking. So let's do it right now. So this is how the beds are distributed. They're very much okay. Look at them. They're all over here. You know, when beds start growing, that's when now they'll show up, like to say, okay, we are enough. So you look at this, you see how these beds look. This is fantastic. Yeah, see, they're everywhere. Yeah, so that's how the beds they look, and that's how they are displayed. And now let's go ahead and let's now do the weighing. We start the moment I weigh the bed, I mark it and I write it down so that we see how much meat we are having. So let's go and let's get started. We start picking beds randomly. So one thing what I would do is I'll pick 10, those that I see to be in a normal size, and I'll pick 5 bigger ones and 5 that looks a little bit smaller. Then I'll pick 3 to 4 which are now at an average weight, which they look small. Then we'll be able to determine the average weight that we are having. So let's go ahead and let's do the weighing of the beds without wasting much of the time. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you're already a returning subscriber, please do like the video so that also other poultry farmers can enjoy the teaching that we're gonna give, and they can see how much progress we are doing in poultry. And most of all, there's a lot of other videos that you can watch for you to learn about poultry farming and have results like the ones we're gonna show you. So let's go ahead, and please, I'm sure you guys have liked the video. New subscribers have subscribed and liked the video as well. You can also share it to others so that they'll be able to enjoy and they'll be able to know the channel and watch the other videos and learn something. So guys, let's do it now. So okay, so we pick randomly. So I'll start. So first we turn on this. Okay, turn it on so that we see that it's on tear. So if we take a look here, okay, so it's changing. So we tear it, we make sure it's at 0. Okay, so that's how we do it. So we tear, we make sure it's at 0, then we start picking beds randomly. So I love to start from where I'm standing, but today I'm not gonna do that. Today I'll pick just starting from the other side, the side where the beds last time were all over. So let me pick from there, we measure. So I'll start. So I pick up. Okay, so pick up the beds, and I'll show you. Just let me just wait. Then I'll show you how big the chest is so that you are able to see. So it's already on tear. Let's put the bed in. Okay, the bed is in. This is massive and this is good as far as I can tell you. So you take a look at this. This is 2.825. There's a lot of massive progress. So let's mark this chicken so that we don't have to go back to it. So I've marked to the bed 2.825. 2.825. There we have it. So we have this one. Let me just show you how big the chest is. So that we move there. This is how the chicken looks. I hope it's clear. Look at the chest there. Very, very big. So today, since I'll be marking the beds, so it's easy for me now to go on the other side. So I'll go the other far way there. So let's go. To do it, I think I can pick even just from here where I'm standing. So I can pick this one. How much meat are you having for us? Let's see, let's take a look. Okay, so Oh, the machine is off. I'll put it a little bit down here. I can't mistake it because I'm able to mark the other beds. So when we turn it on, it always goes back to 0, 0. So we put it. We have this chicken here. Okay. Okay, we have, wow, this is good. Take a look before I even mention it. 2.850. 2.850. There we have it. This is good, plugless, and this is good at 35 days old. 2.850. So this is amazing and this is good. We've already, so now I can turn and pick from this side. Okay, so I'll just pick from this side. I think I'll pick this one right here. Okay, so let's do this one. Let me tear, let me just put it down. Then we tear. There we have it, 0, 0. You can take a look. Okay, if I put it there, it will just, okay, sure, 0, 0 is able to show. Okay, so let's put this one right there. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so this one we have slightly a little bit of drop in weight, which is 2.530. 2.530. 2.530. Okay, this is good. 2.530. So we can go back to the same side again. You see, oh, I didn't mark this chicken. Dang. Okay, I'm about to notice it. I can see from its feathers. Mark it. Don't go back to it no more. Yeah. So I mark it. So I don't go back there. So let me take from that side again. See, so let me tear before I go there so that it's easy and fast. I'll go this side again. Okay, you guys, let's go. Okay. Let me pick this out. Okay, this one. Let's see how much weight we are having. Okay, so it's already teared. Okay. Okay, it's already on 0, 0. No disturbance on it. Okay, let's have the chicken in. So there we have it. 2.740. This is it. 2.740. 2.740. 2.740. There we have it. Let me mark it. Let me not make a mistake on this one. Marked it. We have it. This is very much okay. Okay, I'll put it here. Let's stir. Then let me go just here, a little bit just here. I don't have to go any further. Let me just pick from here. And I'll pick this one. Okay. So there we have it. This one, so I've already teared. Let's have it put in. Okay, so let's see. Hold still. Hold still. Let me just do it again. Let me just do it again. Let me do it again. Okay, we start from 0. Let me do it again. Okay, so it's ready. What's wrong? This chicken is trying to stick on me. Okay, have it. Let's have it easy. So we have 2.715. Let me show you. 2.715. 2.715. 2.715. There we have it. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are, we've measured about 5 beds. Let's do 5 more. I've already, oh, I haven't marked it. Let me mark it in case I don't miss out. Okay, I'm marking these beds so that I don't miss. Let me go back that side again. Oh, okay. Let me pick from this side so that we have something coming from this side as well. So this side, I'm gonna pick you. Okay. Okay. There we have it. put this one. I hope I've already teared. Oh my god, I didn't tear and the machine has gone off, so turn it on. Okay, it's stable and it's ready. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay, easy. So there we have it. 2.510. 2.510. There we go. Let me mark it. 2.510. Let me mark it. There, 35. 2.510. Okay, mark it. 2.510. So again, I want to go back the same side. Yeah, so let me tear before I go there. Tear. Let me pick from this same side. Let me pick from this same side. You see, pick up. Okay, so there we have it. Let's see this one. Let's see. Already teared. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, let's try to tear again because the chicken was shaking. This time around I just wanted to, okay, it's stable. Stable. Okay, stable. Oh man, I'm doing the right thing. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, this time around I want to do it easily, gently. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so here we have it. 2.605. 2.605. 2.605. 2.605. So let me go back again here. Let me tear first so that we see what we're doing. Can go back here. Okay, you got to come and see how much weight are you having. Okay, see. Already teared, so let's do this. Okay. Okay, let's. Oh no, man, this chicken is shaking. You're shaking, you can't get the correct amount of the results you need. So there it's at 0, 0. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. So there we have it. 2.440. 2.440. How many are we having now? Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. Let's have 2 more. Okay. Oh, let me mark it. Have 2 more. Okay, marked it. So 2 more. I can get from there. So let's get from here. Let's get from here. Okay, this one right here. 2 more. So 1 more after this one. Hope I've already. Oh, not. I didn't tear it. Eesh, these beds sometimes they scratch on you. They don't carry them well. Okay, then. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see how heavy this bed is. Okay, there we have it. Stable. Okay, let's do this one again. Let's do this one again. Let's stir. We turn it to 0. Does it have to shake? So easy. Okay, so take it out. See how much we have. Oh, let me mark it. it. We have, this is 2.545, 2.545, 2.545. Okay, so let's get another one. Let me tear first to make it easy. I'll pick again. Just around randomly because it's the rust bait. So I'll pick this one here. Maybe more time. Pick this one right here. Okay, that's already teared. Just at 0, 0. Then it's not okay, it's already at 0, it's not distinct. Okay. Okay. It'll be uneasy. 0, 0. Okay, so I have this one at 2.840. You can take a look. 2.840. 2.840. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we already have 10 here. So now this is when we pick about 4 beds which are a smaller size. So let me pick those which are a smaller size. Those 2 for last time. Let me pick those. One is here, just right here. And one is just right here. Okay. All these beds that don't grow. These are one of the beds that are not growing too big. These. So let's just see how much weight it's having. Just imagine. These to my stand. These are some of the beds you'll see. That is 1.680. 1.680. That's it. So let me find another one, the other smaller one for last time. This is the face of this one is right here. It's right here. I already have 2, which are smaller ones. I only have 2 stamped ones. So let me tear. We see how much this one is, how much weight it's having. At least it has improved. So let's see. This one, it has increased to 1.70. 1.70. 1.770. So guys, there we have it. Those are our weights for the beds which are 35 days old. And according to the look at how the beds are and the weight they are giving us, it is an impressive weight. Just imagine if they can reach up to 6 weeks. That is more massive work. So what we are having right now, these are the beds which are 35 days old. Just imagine if they are 42, which means we put 1 week on top. How much weight are we going to have? Of course, we're going to have about 3 point something kgs, because from that day, we've just passed the week, and you see how impressive and the weight they have gained. So guys, the secret here is very simple. Number 1, spacing. Number 2, ventilation. Number 3, clean poultry. If you took a close look at how the environment looks when I showed you the preview of the beds, you can even tell to say this poultry is very dry, it's not wet. The feeders are everywhere. So this is the secret to raising big chickens with big and heavy chests. Okay, so guys, make sure you follow those guidelines and make sure you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel you get the guidelines on how you can get these beds to this quality weight they are having. So thank you guys, and if you're new, consider subscribing and watch the other videos so that you can benefit and start having weights like these we are having. So thank you guys, and as always, a happy farmer. Bye bye.